Morning again. Sorry, it's going to be one of those silly videos again. Skip me if you want. Yeah, I'm really not focused enough, or I'm busy in the evenings at the moment, so I have no chance to do what I'm normally doing in the evenings. So basically it's another 6 AM quick video before we go to work. And yeah, big day today. Jimbo's coming to work, the same work as me. We've employed him. So yeah, so that'd be nice for him. Give him some work. So what am I doing? What have we got? Look, pliers. So it is another day. 4.5-star reviews on Screwfix. So we're going to attempt the clevis pins again. Now we've got a good, decent pair of pliers. Ugh. So yeah, let's give that a go. Clevis pins. And I got my glasses on this morning. See if that wakes me up a bit. No success just yet with my nice new pliers. It's been a bugger. Let's get a bit of light in there. Just trying to straighten the pins out on the back of it before we can try and pull it through. It's raining. It's raining. Oh, sleepy dust in my eyes. Anyway, success. I'll put the pin back in, obviously it comes out. So you've got a split pin that goes through, and then you've got the clevis pin. So if you haven't done these before, it's all on the internet anyway. So I like to normally just put R clips back in because they're just much easier to pull out, but pretty safe in my head. But anyway, yeah. Also remember to definitely put a pin in of some kind. I have seen a couple of accidents where people have forgotten to put the split pins back in. That then vibrates out, bang, no brakes. Or no clutch, but the no brakes is the worst one. So yeah, not good. Alright, so. Well, got my glasses on my head. Let's go to the front. Sorry, camera angle. Highly exciting video this. Let's see if the master cylinder comes out. Bosh. Don't look too bad. No leaks, but it's got a bit of rust on it there. Yeah, all way too bad. Yeah, one master cylinder out. We're halfway there to try and remove the pedal box. That is what we tried to set out to do about 3 days ago. Right, back inside. Second clevis pin. A, B, C. Yes, we've done the brake. Clutch on now. Same principle. Hopefully the pin's gone in the right. They've put the pin in the opposite way so it's easier to get to as well. Let's give it a go. Hey, 6:30 now for all this. Always gone to boot camp again, so I'm gonna have to go make us some scrambled eggs and bacon in it. So yep, last clevis pin out. Is it? jams a bit, gets a bit stuck. Another master cylinder out. Plate there to hold the engine steady. Shot blasted thing. I've undone all the bolts, I think, for the pedal box. So I'll just spin you guys round. See the amazing pedal box come out. Let's go. It's alright, it's loose. I'll give the pedals a side to side wiggle normally, and then sometimes there's a bit of a faff. Sometimes you find it's easier to, especially going back in, is to push the pedals down a bit to get out. Because you've got to get the thing pulled down far enough to get the studs out the top, out the bottom. Yes. Excellent. One pedal box. Looks like a little stick insect or a cricket or something, doesn't it? Another job done. Right, so that's going to be it for today. Yeah, all good. Thing I did see on Facebook yesterday was it's 12 months. Yesterday would have been, or yeah, IMM, International Mini Meeting 2019 in Bristol, where I plan to have my camper van back on the road and my mini pickup there. It's a tall order for next year in 7 months. Because I think, to be honest, this car's going to take us another, well, it's going to take us to the end of the year, and that being obvious, as me thinking it's all going to get done in weeks, months. Yeah, take longer, but yeah, so 12 months to be at the IO, so let me know if you're going to be there. I plan to be there, as I said. Dad sent me a couple of photos the other day. He started tinkering with the other Mk1, so sorry I can't video that, he's not too good with cameras. So he started to do a few odd little repairs to try and put a bit of strength back into it. Obviously there's tons to do, so it's gonna, you know, it's not like he's going to restore the whole thing. So, but if I can get any video, I'll get up there and show you what he's been doing. I will do. Yeah, excellent. Pedal box out. God, left one thing. I'm still not doing about the dash rail. Let me know what you think about me doing the dash rail. I don't know whether to leave it in. I'm just trying to clean it up. Put a bit of back to black on it, or pull it off and stick a new one back on. I'm not too sure, I'm in two minds. I'm in two minds. So help me make up my mind. What do you guys think? Oh, pardon me. Alright. Yeah. Anyway, loads of nuts and bolts to do. We've got the seat cross member, loads of bits of welding to do. So this weekend we need to try and get every last bit of welding done, so we can confidently go shot blaster. Get your ass here. We've got some shot blasting to be done. Anyway, have a good evening. Chicken fajitas tonight, I think. Progress is progress.